When all these different races start eating Popeyes? I done been a consumer of Popeyes for a long time.
YouTube page.
Hey yo, D Bunch, it's your boy D Bunch, and we back at it again with another video. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's about to do that. Try that Popeye sandwich that everybody been talking about. So, you know what I'm saying? I gotta see if it's actually better than Chic Fil and all of that. My boy T in the background, he already had one before. I'm gonna let you go ahead and bite into it. Just show him what up with it. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on, I gotta dip it in the barbecue sauce.
Did the barbecue sauce on there?
Uh-huh.
Classic, not spicy, because we don't do no spicy foods.
Don't pull it back. Let me get that little, you know, that little, you always gotta have that little piece that hang out.
Yeah.
You gotta dip it in here,
Dip it
bro.
in that bit.
Look at that.
Popeye's chicken is the shiznit.
Better than Chick Fil A? Better than Chick Fil A?
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to what?
Chick-fil-A.
I'm about to try this sandwich. I really wasn't even gonna buy into the hype at first, but I just felt like I needed to. And because I ain't posted a video on it in a while, and I was like, it's a hot topic, so why not come on here with a hot topic and something that I enjoy, food, and just being funny while I'm eating food. So let's see what's up with it. So you want to eat fried ones, huh? Do you want? The fries be hitting, boy. I put that on everything. But anyway, barbecue sauce. To bring out the main entree that everybody been talking about. I got it plain because I was like, I'm not messing with no tartar sauce, and I don't do no pickle on my sandwiches and all of that, so yeah, I ain't rocking with that, but yeah. We're gonna go ahead and taste them. I just dropped some barbecue sauce on there. Also, I forgot to say this, yo. I'm editing the video right now, as y'all can see. Look, editing the video. But also,
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
but also, bro, it took like 30 minutes. I don't know why I didn't film while I was in the drive-thru. I'm stupid. But it took like 30 minutes. Traffic was backed up down the street, probably a mile. Down there, people was like, bro, it was so many races of people that I was like, oh my God. It's good to see chicken sandwiches bringing the culture together, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I said. Hold up.
Popeyes chicken is fucking awesome.
Popeye really might have did something with these. On God. Popeye did something with these. That's crazy. God, ain't that bitch hitting. Oh God. I'm gonna hit him. I mean, Chick-fil-A good, but it ain't hitting like this. God damn. Oh God. That sounds way better than any sounds I ever got from Chick-fil-A. I put it on everything I love. That's crazy. Popeyes really came in the game. The lady said they had these sandwiches since May, but everybody hopped on the trend. Obviously I was on the trend, but look, they came in the game this year and really taking over, because that shit good as a motherfucker. Oh my God. That shit good. And y'all already know how the fries hit. If you don't know how, yo, hold up. Let me address one thing before I talk about these fries. When all these different races start eating Popeyes, I done been a consumer of Popeyes for a long time. And I don't never remember seeing all of these. I'm not racist at all, because I got a white girlfriend.
I'm not racist. My sister's boyfriend's black. I'm not racist. My sister-in-law's baby cousin Tracy got a brother and his girlfriend's black.
I don't never remember going to Popeyes and seeing this many white people, bro. This many Hispanic people. This many, bro. When y'all niggas start coming to Popeyes, though, like. And we had a 35 minute wait on our food. Man. Everybody in there trying to grab a chicken sandwich. This nigga's coming out of Popeyes with 5 sandwiches and a big ass market bag. With a big ass Popeyes market bag. I'm like, damn. T was mad the whole time. What'd you cap saying, T, when we were waiting?
Huh?
What'd you cap saying when we were waiting in the car?
Bro, it don't take that long to make chicken sandwiches, bro. It really don't, bro. I worked at a fast food place before, bro.
Oh God.
And it's just like, bro, literally fries take 1 minute. Cooked chicken is like less than 3 minutes. Like, bro.
Oh God. Not gonna lie though. Chick-fil-A sandwiches hit, don't get me wrong. But if I had to judge sandwiches on a scale, like as in like best chicken sandwiches, right now, Popeyes out of 10, Chick-fil-A at a solid 8. Solid 8. I mean, that motherfucker hit. But you can taste the flavor, like the flavor on the, like, outside of the chicken on the Popeyes, like. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, oh my goodness. Like that meme. That one man when they say, okay, let me break it down for the people who haven't had the chicken sandwich from either Chick-fil-A or Popeyes. Chick-fil-A sandwich tastes like it was cooked by a white woman named Sarah who grew up around black people. The flavor is definitely there, but Sarah cares about your cholesterol, so she's careful about the bread and the grease content. Popeyes sandwich tastes like it was cooked by an older black lady named Lucille that serves on the usher board and has 12 grandkids that call her Medea. Medea don't give a shit about your cholesterol because God's in control. I hope this helps. That's facts. That is facts. Medea didn't put her motherfucking elbow in that seasoning with that Popeyes. But that's really it. My first video back. I gotta get more consistent with my videos on YouTube because I just been blowing up on TikTok. My TikTok right here. Thank y'all for 60K. Thank y'all for the support. You know what I'm saying? Means a lot. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos. I'm gonna keep dropping TikToks. I ain't gonna never stop. You know what I'm saying? I'm grinding my face off. Let's do that little Popeyes jingle.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Love that chicken from Popeyes. Alright, we gotta redo that. We gotta redo that. 3, 2, 1. Love that chicken from Popeyes. Ding. Bet. Bet it up. We out. Oh yeah, let me pop a clip of my girlfriend in here though. Cause you know what I'm saying, I feel like I wanna put her in every video now, so you know.
Oh, the lady over there.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Fuck it up. You walking backwards?
Yeah, I'm walking backwards.
For the YouTube? Okay, go crazy there, little dude. Alright, so tell them something good. Tell them something positive.
I shaved my legs today.
Mm-hmm.
And they're nice and soft.
Tell them one nice thing about me.
Oh, one?
Just one.
Just one.
Mm-hmm.
No, I can't. Just
What?
one.
Just one.
Not just one.
Alright,
No.
Alright, tell them something.
I'm gonna cry.
You can't cry, bro. It's just for the video.
I know, but I'm gonna get emotional.
What's something nice about me? What did I do?
First of all, you're perfect.
Okay.
You treat me so nice. You're so funny, respectful. You're caring and kind and selfless and amazing and very cute. I didn't want to say it in a bad way for the YouTube, but
But
you're
what?
very attractive.
I'm feeling that. Yes, sir.
You always make me feel good.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know, I'm always smiling. And you always motivate me.
Uh-huh.
And anytime I need something to cheer me up, I think of you. And every time something happens to me, God forbid something like bad, you're always there to, like, you beat someone up for me.
100%. Ah, okay, I'm cutting the camera off. I need this time to myself.